Engarenok lu isemor lukasinia koteso keso okaro lukumniare kedito mona kanyare apoti tutuboto ai tolomio na ai ngito na imor kikit esisiaka lukoteso.
Each head teacher who attended that meeting has a copy of the work plan. Our responsibility as a representative simply to remind them to adhere to the work plan.
Ai tolomuno na ai ngito kangin desi ekeunit etubelo eguredilo sodi okar lo lukumniare kedito mana kanyauni itamana kanya ngon kede akaisare Julius Opaso Apolne Cholong TESSMEA Teso Secondary Schools Mock Examination Association yasi lepit Apollo kolo isemeri lukoteso anyinebe iganyo atukona ka TESSMEA.
I want to say this. We have set a precedent. Mr. Child, as senior as he is, will remain in the records. That is a major founder member of TESSMEA Association for years and years. It will also go on record that even during that regime or during that time, there were also some members who supported the association. And those members are the rest of us.
Engarnikin tokolu aingito kangin koto mairi amunu kech koteso college osabit la tubor kesa potu itutuboto auriak ailem isirigin lukumina kaisare alokan roda isipedora tukot ai girun aingito ngin Torres diat ochae egirigiran lo aingito na TESSMEA ngese balebe ai nyakulo na aingito kangin nesi ebuni ai keon bobo etubelo idwe koteso.
So far, I can see we have up to about 225 schools at hand, if we add those from Bukedea and so on. And this is a very big force in the country, which requires an examination.
John Robert Osu, Apolne Severo Kalaki essays, Nesi Illipit, Auriaka Kedapolo Kisemeroi, Anebe, Keunete Kesi, Adoptat na Aingito Kangin.
I would like to make a call here to the fellow head teachers, to the board of governors in the various schools, to uphold and to encourage the parents to pay for this exam.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East.
Let's try very hard to see that the association is well supported from wherever it will be. Of course, usually there are Thomases. Let's disregard the Thomases and then do what we think is right.